back on the 6-7 with the front main oil seal leak. As you can see, in the process of the repair, going to start putting it back together. But I had a quick answer to a question that I had at the beginning of this repair before I even started tearing into this, when I first brought the vehicle in and said that I believe it's coming from the front main seal, which it was coming from the front main seal. I asked at the time, do you think it's premature failure because of a faulty part? Do you think it's just poor design on these new engines? I mentioned how I worked on 6.0, 6.4s, older 12 valve Cummins, and you don't see front main seal leaks, not even real rear main seal leaks. So is it just a bad, poorly designed part? No, in the end, the part is human failure. It was the front main seal that was the problem. And let me show you right there. You see the tear in the front main seal? Seems somebody took off the crank pulley at one point and didn't pay attention, or just caught it, tore it, and then they put silicone on it and they thought that was going to take care of it. But in the end, that, just human failure, just a fault for somebody who installed it wrong or didn't care, or was just rushing at the job. Customer hasn't stated anything about any prior work around this area, so not sure what to say, but it is what it is. At least I'm going to solve it for him. All right, see you guys in a bit.